Would you like to boost your confidence when communicating with others? Then this video is for you. Welcome back to Selfcare Karen. This video is part of my EFT, that's Emotional Freedom Technique series. And if you want to know a little bit more about this alternative therapy that combines acupressure, so acupuncture but without needles, and positive affirmations, modern psychology, then why not take a look at my introduction video, which I'll link up here. This video has got timestamps. If you want to skip ahead to the tap along, then just take a look at the video description. EFT is a really effective way of working through your limiting beliefs, and those limiting beliefs can be about things, but they can also be about yourself. Being able to get your point across, communicating effectively, being able to speak with confidence, all rest on how much you actually believe in yourself. So use this tap along sequence to let go of any limiting beliefs that you have about being able to speak with confidence. Okay, don't worry if you've not watched my introduction video. You can just follow along. Tap where I tap on the upper part of my body and say what I say. So let's get into this session. It's going to be a short, all positive tap. Okay, as always, before we're going to start tapping, let's just set ourselves up. Find somewhere comfortable where you can sit, somewhere you're not going to be disturbed. And if you're wearing glasses, I suggest that you remove them. Try and calm your breathing. Take a deep breath in, and we're going to start with the karate chop and just say, I am ready to be powerful and inspiring in my speech, and I love and accept myself. I am choosing to allow myself to be heard and respected, and I love and honor myself. I am ready to accept that speaking with confidence is second nature to me, and I love and respect myself. Okay, we're going to move to the eyebrow, which is just here. Now I'm switched to two fingers. I choose to be energetic and enthusiastic. Okay, side of eye. I am competent and capable. Under eye. I am clear in my communication. Deep breaths. Under nose. I am confident in my messaging. Chin. I feel ready to win the hearts and minds of others. Collarbone. I believe in myself and my ability to do well. Underarm. I am ready to show confidence in myself. Top of head. I am ready to allow for my ideas and thoughts to win over others. Deep breaths. Right, round two. Eyebrow. I am ready to accept all the positive feedback coming my way. Side of eye. I am full of self-assurance. Under eye. I am ready to be an excellent communicator. Under nose. I am ready to let go of any negative beliefs about my ability to speak to others. Chin. I am choosing to believe in myself today. Collarbone. I am prepared and ready for my day. Underarm. I am choosing to be heard. Top of head. I am choosing to be the best I can be. Okay, eyebrow, round 3. I am deeply grateful for being listened to and respected. Side of eye. I visualize myself getting my points across. Under eye. My voice is strong, engaging, and calm. Breathe deeply. Under nose. My uniqueness is my superpower. Chin. I let go of any limitations I have placed on myself about being able to speak with confidence. Collarbone. I am ready for everyone to want to hear what I have to say. Underarm. I choose to believe in myself. Top of head. I choose to speak with confidence. Now take a deep breath in and release that breath slowly. Well done. For in the words of Susan Jeffers, choosing to feel your fear, but do it anyway. Try doing this tap along before having to speak in public and see as your fear actually dissolves away. You can calm your nerves and you can get into the frame of mind that you're going to ace that speech. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back again next Monday with another tap along session, and on Friday, remember, I upload videos that relate to my beauty product addiction. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.